Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today I'm discussing the black and white film parts. The first one is light sensitive silver halide grains. Light sensitive silver halide grains are tiny particles in photographic film that reacts to light. They help create an image when the film is developed. The second one is gelatin binder. Gelatin binder is a substance that holds together the light-sensitive materials in photographic film, helping to capture images when exposed to light. The third one is emulsion. Emulsion is a mix of two liquids that don't normally mix, like oil and water. In photography, it's the light sensitive layer that captures images. The fourth one is a plastic film base. Plastic film base is a flexible plastic layer that supports the photographic emulsion, giving the film stability and durability. The last one is anti-halation layer. Anti-halation layer is a coating on film that stops the light from spreading, helping to keep images sharp and clear. And that's all. Thank you.